All right, so this is the back of the DJ system, right? Here is where you will need to put your speaker on the master out, left and right. That's where you will put it in. Over here, you can have an RCA. This right here, these are called RCAs. These are called TRS. It'll say the name right here, TRS or quarter inch TRS. And this is RCA because it's the same. It's like the TV. RCA invented these for the TV, but now they're used mostly for audio. Over here, it's another. It's a volume for this right here.
Okay.
So whatever you have plugged in, it'll do that. Right here is you can connect your phone, your computer, whatever you want onto this using a certain cable, and you can buy that cable anywhere. Oh, sorry. So right here is your USB. This needs to be plugged into the computer, and this is your on and off switch. On and off. Okay. So I'm gonna show you what this all means right here. So over here, this button right here, if I move this around, what'll happen is if you look at the computer, so I'm gonna move that big button that I was doing, and what it does is it helps you scroll through your library. And there's a trick to this. These red buttons, it'll say load, right? Mm-hmm. Load. That means that you can load a song onto this deck. Mm-hmm. So if you hit load, it's gonna load a song onto this side. And if I hit load on this side, it's gonna play a song on that side. So watch, look at the computer, watch the computer. I'm scrolling and then I hit load and it's gonna load on this side. And it just loaded something on that side. Okay, so again, these are called the trim buttons, or in other mixers, they're called gains. You never wanna make the gains go past 12 o'clock or else you're gonna blow out your speaker. You always have them at 12, that's the max. Don't blow out your speakers. These are your highs, it'll say highs on them. Highs, these are your mids, and these are your lows. And then I'm gonna show you what it sounds like to adjust either or, okay? Just so you know. And then you can keep it going. So I disconnected the cord, so I'm gonna pause. So again, these are your gain. Remember, you never wanna make it go past 12, it's just the volume. These are your highs. It affects the high. These are your mid. And this will cut out your bass. Now the cool thing about this one, this setup, is the fact that it has effects. You can change your effects in the settings a little bit later. That's like more complicated stuff. Okay, so now these buttons right here, you're wondering what these are for. This is Q for 1 and Q for 2, right? What this does, if you press them and they light up like that, is, look, I'm gonna press it again and you tell me what goes on.
From your earphones.
Headphones, yes. So while you're mixing, you can hear the other song, basically. Mm-hmm. If you wanna hear this side, you hit this side. And whatever song I'm playing over here, sorry, it'll play on the headphones. Okay. And then over here, if I wanna hear the other song, I can still hear the other song, but the audience doesn't listen, because I could be playing this song, but you still hear the other song from this side playing on your headphones. So those are just the basics. This is just to speed up the song and slow it down, so you can hear it. Watch, I'll speed it up, slow it down, speed it up, slow it down. These are effects. These are more advanced features that you can learn later, so you don't need to know anything right here. Yeah, you can have the horn. Right here, these hot cues, you have 4 options, right? The only thing that you're going to use in the beginning is hot cue. Make sure that they're always on hot cue. And these are important for this reason. Because all the songs I set up are based on, if you look at these yellow bars right here and green bars, that's the beginning of the beat. Because you always want to mix on the 8 count. So if I press on the cue, it'll start me on that beat. That's what hot cues are for. And then, so all the cues are already set the way I had them, so you can start mixing them faster. So and the same on this side. Like if I have another song on the right side, for instance, let's see. Let me pick a song. So I'm gonna scroll. I don't see any. Man, I gave you terrible songs. I'm sorry. Okay, so my cues are set, so you'll see them light up. And it reflects the 3 cue points that are right here. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna just turn it up. So it'll go from the beginning of the beat if I hit the hot cue. It's just cues. Alright, so I hope that helps.
Yeah.